Good morning, students. Recognize me. This is effect of corona. Okay. In the last video, I have taught you the entire part of factorization. How to solve the quadratic equations by factorization. There are two more methods to solve the quadratic equations. I have told you in my previous video. First one is the factorization method, second one is the completing the square method, and the third one is the formula method. And today I will start the second method of solving the quadratic equation, that is completing the square method. Completing the square method. Completing the square method. Name itself says it is completing the square. That means some square has to be completed. What type of square has to be completed I will explain you. But let me tell you one thing. Whenever a quadratic equation is given, you can solve with any method. You have to get the same answer. Okay. So I will take one problem. I will solve it by the factorization method. Let me find the answer and let us go the same problem with the completing the square method. Let me take one problem. I will take 3x square minus 10x minus 8 is equals to 0. Okay. Last side is negative. That means middle terms must be 1 plus and 1 minus. Subtract, you should get 10. On multiplying, you should get 24. The middle terms are 12 and 2. Subtract 12 minus 2, 10. 12 to the 24. Which sign? 1 plus and 1 minus. Which will get plus and which will get minus? This sign will go to the bigger number among those two. 12 and 2. 12 is the bigger number. So 12 will get the minus sign. Okay. 3x square minus 12x plus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0. It is grouping. I can take 3x as a common into bracket x minus 4, and I can take 2 as a common into bracket x minus 4 is equals to 0. X minus 4 into 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. X minus 4 is equals to 0. 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. X is equals to plus 4. 3x is equals to minus 2. Therefore, x is equals to minus 2 by 3. These are the two roots of the equation. Right? Now let us solve the same problem by completing the square method. Okay? Let me take 3x square minus 10x minus 8 is equals to 0. There are different steps to solve this problem. I will tell you the steps one by one. Okay? Let me write after here. What are the different steps? The step number 1. Okay. Transfer constant to RHS. Transfer the constant to RHS. That means minus 8, I will shift it to the right hand side. It will be now 3x square minus 10x is equals to plus 8. This is the first step. Transfer constant, whatever it may be the constant, it may be 8, it may be 7, it may be minus 4, whatever it may be. Transfer this to RHS. First step is over. Second step. This x square is having the coefficient as 3. Divide each term by the coefficient of x square. That means ultimately I want to say make the coefficient of x square as 1. Make the coefficient of x square as 1. Second step. Make the coefficient of x square as 1. That means this I have to make it as 1. Means I will divide each term by 3. I will write here, divide each term by 3, so that the x square coefficient will be 1. What happens? Divided by 3. I will write one step for you. 3x square by 3 minus 10 by 3x is equals to 8 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. What is left out? It is x square minus 10 by 3x is equals to 8 by 3. See what the second step? Make the coefficient of x square as 1. Make the coefficient of x square as 1. Up to here, everything is okay. Now see the next step. See the next step. Very, very important. Very important next step. What I will do? I will write like this. See, I want to bring the LHS. I want to bring the LHS in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. But such terms are not there. Such terms are not there. See, name itself is completing the square. But here, terms are only 2. So what I will do? See here. I will write like this. This is very, very important step. X square, listen very carefully, minus, I will write 2. I will write 2. From where this 2 has come? I have taken off my own. I have taken off my own. Why I will take? I want to bring this in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is called as a square. A minus b the whole square. That is called as completing the square method. Completing the square method. Okay. So what I will do? X square I have kept as it is. This one 2 is required for me. So I have taken this 2. But simply I can't take. So what I will do? Into this 10 by 3 I will write it as 10 by 6. 10 by 6. That means 1 extra 2 I have taken to the numerator. 1 extra 2 I have taken to the denominator. See, 3 2s are 6. This is very, very important. What I will do? I will take 1 2 to the numerator, 1 2 to the denominator, so that the original value will not change. The original value will not change. See, if you cancel also, what happens? 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 10 by 3, 10 by 3. The original value will not change. But what is to be done? 1 extra 2 in the numerator, 1 extra 2 in the denominator. That means 3 2s are 6, 1 2 extra I have taken it. Into x is equals to 8 by 3. Okay, this is very, very important step. Now what happened, my dear children? Listen properly. A square is here. Minus 2, minus 2. What is A? A means x. It is here. This is called as B. Listen here. A square minus 2ab. If not, I can simplify this also if it is possible. I will simplify. 3s are 5s. I got the answer like this. X square minus 2 into 5 by 3 into x is equals to 8 by 3. Is equals to 8 by 3. Is equals to 8 by 3. Okay. A square minus 2ab. This is my b. Okay. Now what I will do? And 5 by 3 the whole square on both hand side. Now you might be in confusion. What is this? And 5 by 3 the whole square on both hand sides. What is the meaning of this? See, just now I told you I want to bring in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. In this form I want to bring it. Okay. See now. A square, it is here. Minus 2, it is here. A, it is here. This is b. This is here. This is b. My dear children, this 5 by 3 is called as b. Now I want a b square term. So I will add 5 by 3 the whole square, nothing but b square on both hand sides. Why I should add on both hand sides? Because whatever I want to add, if I add it to the LHS, I have to add it to the RHS also to balance the equation. What I will do now? I will write x square minus 2 into 5 by 3 into x. This is a square minus 2ab plus b square 5 by 3. This is the extra term I have added is equals to, here also what I will do, 8 by 3 plus 5 by 3 the whole square. This b square I have added to the LHS also, I have added to the RHS also. Now you see this entire expression, you see a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the short form. For this the short form is a minus b the whole square. The short form of this is the expanded form of a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square. I know that this is a, this is b. A minus b the whole square. What I will write? I will write for this, let me write like this. It is x minus 5 by 3 the whole square. See, a minus b the whole square is equals to, I will rub this, I will keep only the answers, okay, what I want to get, okay, this is the answers, is equals to, what I can write, equals to 8 by 3 plus 25 by 9, if you square it, 25 by 9. This I will write x is equals to 4, let me write here, x is equals to 4, this is the answer I have to get. Okay, now what I will do, I will simplify the RHS. LCM is 9, 3 3s are multiplied by 3, it is 24 plus 9 1s are 9 multiplied by 1 is 25. X minus 5 by 3 the whole square is equals to 49 by 9. 49 by 9. Now see here what is to be done. Okay, since in the first problem you may find it difficulty, don't worry. Okay, now taking square root on both hand sides. Taking square root on both hand sides. What happens? If you take the square root of this, square and square root gets cancelled, and I write x minus 5 by 3 is equals to, I have told you for any perfect square, when you take the square root, there are two values. See, plus 7 square also 49, minus 7 square also 49, plus 3 square is also 9, minus 3 square also is 9. So I can write which is equals to plus or minus 7 by 3. When you take the square root here, it is having two values, plus or minus 7 by 3. From here, I can separate like this. See, x minus 5 by 3 is equals to plus 7 by 3. X minus 5 by 3 is equals to minus 7 by 3. Simplify both, we will get those answers. Come on, let me check it. Okay, transfer this to RHS. X is equals to 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3. LCM is 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1s are 4s are. X is equals to 4. See my dear children? X is equals to 4. One more value will be minus 2 by 3. Let me check here. X is equals to minus 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3. LCM is 3. It is minus 2 by 3 is the answer. Okay students, let us go for one more problem. Again, I don't know how many of you are got it very clear in the first problem itself. Again, I will try to convince you in the second problem. Okay. Listen slowly, very carefully, very attentively. Okay. Okay, listen. What is the first step? I will tell you step by step. First step, transfer the constant to RHS. Come on. 5x square minus square x is equals to minus 4. First step. Transfer the constant to RHS. Second step. Make the x square coefficient as 1. Make the x square coefficient as 1 means whatever the number is here, with that number divide for each term so that your x square coefficient will be 1. Come on, divide each term by 5. My dear children, by chance, already an x square is there. see that x square coefficient should be 1 because I want to bring it in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. This form I have to bring, so it must be only a square. That means here I want only x square. Come on, divide each term by 5. Okay, 5x square by 5 minus 12 by 5x is equals to minus 4 by 5. Yes, gets cancelled. It is x square minus 12 by 5 x is equals to minus 4 by 5. See the next step. Now a square x square minus 2 is required. Exactly in this form I want to bring this. So this is called as completing the square method. This is not in the square form. I have to bring it in the form of a square. So it is called as complete the square. It is not in the completely square form. I have to complete it. So a square minus 2 is required. So I will write x square minus 2 I have taken here. But when I take a 2 in the numerator, I have to take 2 in the denominator also. So what I will do, into 12 by instead of 5, I will write it as 10 into x. See, 1 2 numerator, 1 2 in the denominator. If you cancel also, 2 1s are 2 5s are 12 by 5, 12 by 5. No changes at all, but you don't cancel it. But it is possible, I am telling you. Original value is not changed at all. Okay, is equals to minus 4 by 5. Is equals to minus 4 by 5. After this, to see if it is possible to cancel, then cancel it. 2 6 are 2 5s. What is left out? X square minus 2 into 6 by 5 into x is equals to minus 4 by 5. My children, what do you want now? A square minus 2 to a. A is here into b. My dear children, this is called as a b term. Is equals to minus 4 by 5. A square minus 2ab is equals to minus 4 by 5. My dear children, now to complete this as a square, to complete the LHS as a square, what I want? A square minus 2ab, only this much part is here. A square minus 2ab. I want a term b square should be added on both sides. Actually, I want that b square term in the LHS to complete the square. But when I add something to the LHS, I have added to the RHS also. So what I will do now? I will write add 6 by 5 the whole square on both hand side. Both sides I have to add it so that the square will be completed. X square minus 2 into 6 by 5 into x plus 6 by 5 the whole square is equals to minus 4 by 5 plus 6 by 5 the whole square. My children, now to see the LHS. A square minus 2ab plus b square. The short form of this is a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square. I can write it as x minus 6 by 5 the whole square is equals to, it is minus 4 by 5 plus 36 by 25. Simplify the RHS. It is x minus 6 by 5 the whole square is equals to what happens? Minus 4 by 5. Oh sorry, I can take the LCM. This is 25 is the LCM. 5 5s are multiplied by 5. It is minus 20 plus 5 1s are 36 1s are 36. Plus 36 minus 20 gives you 16 by 25. This is x minus 6 by 5 the whole square. That means I have to take the square root on both hand sides. I have to take the square root. And you know that whenever the square root is taken for any number, there are two roots, one plus and one minus. Because 25 square root plus 5 minus 1. Because plus 5 square also 25, minus 5 square is also 25. Okay, now I will write taking square root on both hand side. Come on, take the square root of this. X minus 6 by 5 is equal to, if you take the square root, it is plus or minus 4 by 5. 16 square root is 4, 25 square root is 5. Now we can separate them. X minus 6 by 5 is equals to plus 4 by 5, and x minus 6 by 5 is equals to minus 4 by 5. Okay, x is equal to, transfer this to the RHS. 4 by 5 plus 6 by 5, common LCM 5, 6 plus 5, 10, 1s are 2s are, that is x is equals to 2. Transfer this to the RHS, x is equals to minus 4 by 5 plus 6 by 5, LCM is 5, plus 6 minus 4 is 2. So the roots of the equation are, x is equals to either 2 and x is equals to 2 by 5 are the roots of the equation. If you want to try this problem using the factorization method, with that method also you are going to get the same answers or the same roots. Let me solve one more and the last problem of the today's session. Okay, my children, this time I have taken sign plus here. Earlier my two examples I have taken the middle term as negative. Now what slight changes are there, I will tell you. But no changes in the method. First step as usual, constant should be shifted to RHS. Come on, 4x square plus 14x is equals to minus 6. Those who have understood very clearly, pause the video, solve yourself. This is very, very important. That build up the confidence in you that yes, I can solve the problem. Okay, it is minus 6. What is the next step? Divide each term by the coefficient of x square, or I can say make the coefficient of x square as 1. Divide each term by 4. I will write directly. It is x square plus 14 by 4 into x is equals to minus 6 by 4. If it is possible to simplify, I can simplify it. Okay, 2 2s are 2 7s, 2 2s are 2 3s. I can rewrite it, x square plus 7 by 2 into x is equals to minus 3 by 2. Okay, now see the next. Now it is plus sign. Here, see, earlier case it was minus, so I have brought it in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now since the sign is plus, I will bring in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means this sign plays a very, very important role. If it is plus, this is the formula. If it is minus, it is a minus b the whole square. Okay, now what is the method? 1 2 extra to the numerator, 1 2 extra to the denominator, because I wanted 2 here. Okay, I can write it as x square plus 1 2 extra I have taken 1 2 extra because I want here to compensate that. I will take 1 2 extra in the denominator also. In the plus 7 by 2, I will write 7 by 4 into x is equals to minus 3 by 2. With this, what happened? A square plus 2a. I got b also. Now I want only a b square term. That's all. Okay. Let me continue. Now I will write as b square on both sides. B means what? 7 by 4. And 7 by 4 the whole square on both hand side. Come on. So that I will complete the square. I am having a square. I am having plus 2. I am having a. I am having b. Only a shortage of b square. That I will add on both hand sides. Come on. X square plus 2 into 7 by 4 is my b into x. 2 into x square plus 2ab plus b square 7 by 4 the whole square. This I have added to the LHS to complete the square, but naturally I would add it for the RHS also to balance the equation, which is equals to minus 3 by 2 plus 7 by 4 the whole square. Now my dear children, the entire LHS short form is a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square. Come on. A plus b x plus 7 by 4 the whole square is equals to simplify minus b by 2 plus 49 by 16. Simplify the RHS. 8s are 2 8s are multiplied by 8. It is minus 24 plus 16 ones are multiplied by 1. It is 49, which is equals to 24 minus 24 plus 49. That is 49 minus 24 gives you 25 divided by 16. X plus 7 by 4 the whole square. See my dear children, almost everywhere we got the perfect squares. And usually the examination they will give you perfect squares. Don't worry. Okay, now what I can write next? What I can write next? It is taking square root. Taking square root on both hand side. Taking square root on both hand sides. Come on. It is x plus 7 by 4 is equals to, when you take the square root here for any number, there are two roots, plus or minus 5 by 4. 25 square root is 5, 16 square root is 4. Now you can separate x plus 7 by 4 is equals to plus 5 by 4. X plus 7 by 4 is equals to minus 5 by 4. Simplify, transfer to the RHS. X is equals to 5 by 4 minus 7 by 4. LCM is 4. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. 1s are 2s are. Answer is minus 1 by 2. If you come to the RHS, transfer this. X is equals to minus 5 by 4 minus 7 by 4 when you shift it to the RHS. LCM is 4. Minus 5 minus 7. Both are minus. It has to be added. It is minus 12. 1s are 3s are. Answer is minus 3. So these are the roots of the given equation. My dear children, this is all about the method completing the square. You can practice sufficient number of problems by using the same method. Okay? We'll stop here. We'll continue in the next class.